Okay, so if you don't know already, upstate New York in the wintertime has lots of salt, and with that, your vehicles rust out. But on a side note, 2015 Silverado looking sharp, all nice and detailed and washed, and use that Miguel's or whatever it is, the spray-on car wash. I still got to go through and touch up a little bit of spots on it, but it's looking pretty sharp because somebody's going out on a date tonight, so it has to look nice. So grab the tripod thingy, and I'm going to show you what project I have to do yet again. It's this stupid 2005 Silverado with a stupid 230,000 miles on it, with stupid rust on it, stupid falling apart. Can you guys already tell? Now, the reason why I've got the camera on the tripod, because I'm fearing for my life if I open this door. My drink up there. Not going to fall down this time. But, if you can't see already, I have to be a doctor again. So, this lasts a couple months, which I'm just going to keep doing it. But this is technically the only thing holding this thing on, because it's literally all rusted out. So, what you're Dog, what are you doing to the bushes? Are you serious? Oh my. Dog gives me a headache. Alright, back to it.
EMS call 14 Ketchum Street.
I don't want to hear Malone. I'm tired of Malone. Of course, our department's been pretty quiet. So. No, I'm going to do this. Ah! Oh, 30-year-old female. I thought that's a 2-year-old female. Yep. Somebody's mother and father wasn't watching them. Anyway. So I got myself some volunteer plates for the 2015 Silverado. I just put this ass backwards. But anyway, I got some volunteer plates for the 2015 Silverado. So far, I absolutely love that truck. I just did a 500 mile and got from here to, well, from Maddox to New York City practically. And with that, I netted a 23 mile per gallon going down the, what's it called? Going down the mountains into the interstate to New York City. And on the way back, I got like 22. Then I got 20. I got about 20 when I hit the mountains because of certain people piss me the F off and drive 30 miles an hour and I have to pass everybody. I tell you what, that passes pretty fast. But the problem is that thing's going to be a speed ticket machine if you're not careful, because if you're going 80, it doesn't feel like 80. It's amazing what they've done to these newer trucks. Oh, you stupid rust bucket! Jesus. So this is what this, I know you guys can't see this too very well because my fat. So, anyway. So, now we gotta figure out.
Franklin County Dispatch from all 317 responding to your EMS call 14 Ketchum Street, 1517.
Fixed again for the part then. But yeah, something's rusted on this. I don't know, the bed I don't know. But the bed kind of shut on me. Fell down off of me yesterday. Because my dad was telling me he couldn't get the tailgate up. I didn't know what he was talking about until it happened to me yesterday. And don't fall down. So what happened was, I don't know what that is exactly. Whoa! Okay, that's what happens. That's why the tailgate falls off. Okay, mystery solved. So that is completely rusted apart. So we could just take the tailgate entirely off. That'd be okay. So the thing that holds when you're supposed to slide up on the tailgate, well, that rusted off and broke. So that's why I couldn't shut it yesterday. And this is why, like, I kid you not, it literally fell off. And I hit railroad tracks with this before. Yeah, that's what happens when your tailgate falls off completely. So, 2005 Silverado fixed yet again for the, I don't know how many times, but poor old truck. Just falling all apart. But still works. Still. Catch you guys later. And remember, you need to fix something. Zip ties works great. What is this anyway? 7-inch standard cable ties. Works pretty good. I got a feeling we could hold this whole truck up. Probably until we can't zip tie it no more.